Hi, this is Christopher Wheat again, and this time I'm going to actually be giving you a preview to a blog that I'm going to be writing called Method to My Madness. It's piece number 53, and this one deals with the intricacies of how I do odd things, like basically how I drive, or how I teach, or some of the other really odd things that drive my wife absolutely crazy. But I hope you have a chance to read through it. I hope you get a chance to kind of look at it, give some retrospect. Also, too, I've also added 3 comic strips to it, so I really hope you get a chance to read those. They're really funny. I think the reason why I picked the comic strips is because it really hits home to how I'm feeling about education in general, what's going on. I think it's really taking quite a turn, and you're saying, how's that deal with my methods? Well, I have a weird way of teaching. It's not exactly orthodox or the way it should be, but needless to say, it's my way, and it's the best way I know how. And with my Asperger's, that's something I just have to deal with day in and day out. But I hope you get a chance to look at it, and I hope you find everything interesting and funny. And of course, always please feel free to comment. I love the comments, and hopefully we'll hear from you soon.